Gentlemen, I want to know, or women, you got this phone call. Hi, good morning. How are you? Good. Oh, you're getting ready to go to work? Okay. You know, I've got this workshop coming up. Yeah, the one with Diana Lucas about femininity and being a sacred, sensual, sexual woman. You saw the live feed. Did you see all of it? Oh, it was 48 minutes. It was too long to watch. Actually, guys only see like 30 seconds at a time. But if there's sex involved, they might watch it longer. I'm going to need your help with something. If I'm talking about sacred sexuality, I'm going to need to be doing more of that. You're okay with that? You're so sweet. I'm so grateful that you're willing to help me with this.